Hello, ELEWEMM.
Oh yeah. I think I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. What? It might seem like a crime.
So, what I make for myself, I make some tool, and I don't know how to call that, Dremel, drill, small drill, I don't know, but it's very useful, and I think it's be useful for everyone who want to do that. Very simple. When you watch the video on internet and you need to build that things, make that things very good, it's can be very simple. So in my case I use the all tools, all things what you can buy very cheap and very useful. So I use the battery, I use the holder for battery, then I connect the switch, then I connect DC converter to increase the voltage, then I connect the motor and connect the special holder for bits. That's all. And then I make that box and make that and use the scotch, and you can see this is things look not beautiful but working well. So I hope everyone who want to do that, you can take my experience and make it by yourself.
Rush, but it doesn't mean that I'm serious. Lose all my senses, that is just so typically me. Oh, baby, I did it again. I played with the heart, got lost in the game. Oh, baby, you think I'm in love, dancing from above. I'm not in a touch.
Good luck.